Here I've got Philips Xenium V787 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, let's go with the secret code. Let's open phone dialer and then enter *06#. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers assigned to your device are right in front of you. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open both IMEI numbers and also serial number for the settings. So at first you have to find and select the settings. Here they are. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Here you will notice Status, simply tap on it, and now go to IMEI information, and as you can see, IMEI numbers are included here, and a bit lower you will find serial number assigned to your Xenium. So that would be all. That's how you can locate both unique number assigned to your Philips. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.